Welcome to another Panasonic product information video. Here's where you can quickly check out important tips for care and cleaning of your Panasonic Inverter Microwave Oven. As with any quality Panasonic appliance, always keep your owner's manual handy to quickly get familiar with setting up programs and identifying functions on the control panel. Now, before you plug in your microwave oven, wipe the outside surfaces with a damp cloth, avoiding any risk of water entering vent openings. Do not remove the product specifications label. If the control panel becomes wet, clean it with a soft, dry cloth, not harsh detergents or abrasives. Note that your microwave oven has a removable protective film covering the control panel to prevent scratches during shipping. Please remove it before using your oven for the first time. For inside cleaning, use another damp cloth. If needed, a mild detergent may be used, though you should follow it with a clean wet cloth, then a clean dry cloth. Note that eliminating grease accumulation will avoid smoke occurring during use. The same goes for the inside bottom surface, before installing the roller ring and glass tray or after removing them. On the inside wall is the waveguide cover. It is not to be removed and should also be kept clean and dry. Also, after cooking, inside the oven door may need a wipe due to normal steam accumulation. If the glass tray or the roller ring becomes soiled, you can wash them in warm soapy water or a dishwasher. Keeping these items clean will help avoid noise during operation, but be sure to place them in their proper position. There you have it, a simple guide to keeping your Panasonic microwave oven ready to serve you well, day in and day out.
Panasonic.